In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Facebook password without phone number and email. It's going to be easy, guys, for you, and if you find this video useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you, guys. Now, to get this done, first of all, you need to come to this part using your Google Chrome or any browser that you have. Just go to www.facebook.com and then you will click on login. Then it will bring you to this interface. Now once you are here, since you do not have your mobile number or your email address, and also you've forgotten your password, the first step you need to do is to tap on forgotten password. Then it will land you here. Then you will tap on search by email instead. Then now here, you do not need to enter your email address. You can use the name of your account, the name of your Facebook account. So I'm just going to use the name of my Facebook account. Then tap on continue. Then this list is going to be given to you here. You are going to choose your Facebook account according to your profile. So you're just going to check whether your profile is in this list. So I have seen my profile, it is the last one, so I'm going to tap on it. Then as you can see, the code has been sent via WhatsApp. So I need to go to my WhatsApp account and copy the code and come and paste it here. So I'll just go to my WhatsApp. So I'm going to copy this code here. Then I'll come here and paste it here. Then continue. Now guys, as you can see, the notification has been sent to your device, to your Facebook app. Now if you are not able to access your Facebook app, you are just going to tap on try another way. Then it will lead you to this interface. Now we have two options there: notification on other device. If you are logged into any other device, your account is logged into another device, you can use that device to access the notification or to access the verification code. But if you have authentication app, you can use that authentication app to get the code. But still, if you do not have access to this option, you see the third option there, need another option, you can just tap on go to account recovery. So I'm just going to tap on that. Then you can submit a photo of your ID. Tap on it. Now these are the steps that you need to take in order to recover your Facebook account. So I'm going to tap on the first step. Tell us how we can reach you. Now you are going to enter your phone number or your email, which they can use to access to you. So you're going to tap on next. Then you can enter any other email that you can access. So if you have any email that is working, you can enter it there. So I'm going to enter that email here. Now once you've entered that email, you just need to tap on next. Then as you can see, enter the confirmation code. Now you'll need to go to this email, copy the code and come and paste it here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll go to this email. And as you can see, the email has been sent. I'll just open the email. Then here's the code. I'll just copy it. Copy. Then you'll go back to here. Then you'll paste the code there. Then tap on next. As you can see, this email is already used. So you are going to choose another email. You are going to enter another email which has not been used to sign up for Facebook.